In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams audio. First, let's make sure you're actually in Teams. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Teams. Click the official link to open Teams in your browser or launch the desktop app if that's what you normally use. Go ahead and sign in with your work or school account so you're looking at your Teams home screen. A common cause of audio trouble in Teams is that it's trying to use the wrong speaker or microphone. Maybe your laptop speakers are selected when you're wearing a headset, or Teams is listening to a webcam mic instead of your main one. We'll correct that inside Teams before you join a meeting. Before a meeting starts, look to the top right corner of Teams and click the three dots next to your profile picture. From the menu that opens, choose Settings. In the Settings window, select Devices. Here you'll see drop-down menus for speaker and microphone. Open each drop-down and pick the device you actually want to use. For example, choose your USB or Bluetooth headset for both speaker and mic if that's what you're wearing, or select your laptop's built-in speakers and internal microphone if you're not using any accessories. This tells Teams exactly where to send and receive sound so you don't miss anything. If you still don't hear or send audio after choosing the right devices in Teams, your computer might be blocking microphone access. On Windows, open the System Settings app. Click Privacy and Security, then select Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on at the top. Also turn on Let Apps Access Your Microphone. Below that, look for Microsoft Teams in the list of apps and ensure it's enabled. These switches give Teams permission to use your mic. Without them, no sound will go through even if the correct device is selected. Finally, confirm your overall sound output in Windows. Right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar and choose Sound Settings. Under Output, pick your preferred output device, such as your headset or external speakers, and make sure the volume is turned up. This system setting controls what you hear across all apps, so if it's set to a different device or muted, Teams will seem silent. By signing in, selecting the correct devices in Teams, allowing microphone permissions in Windows, and confirming your system output and volume, you'll resolve the most common audio issues quickly and reliably. Take a moment to apply these checks before important calls, and you'll join meetings confident that you can hear and be heard.